In this video, I'll just walk you through the different ways you can contact us if you ever need help with support or if you have any issues or comments or questions. These are the best ways to get in touch with us. So I'll start off with the most handy and convenient one for both yourself and us, which is directly on your website. It's the last tab at the very top of your page that says support. You just click on that. You put in the subject of your query, a description, and then if you need to add any files, you can add them at the bottom of the page and then click on submit. And the reason I say this is the best way is because we can actually see which website you're on and we have your contact information already set up. And it's also the most direct line to get directly to our support team. And our support hours are, in case you don't know, is Monday through Friday, 7 AM through 7 PM Eastern Time. Another way you can get in touch with us is by sending us an email directly at support@auctionmethod.com. Do the same, it'll reach the same support channel where we have multiple agents that'll be able to help you. The third way you can get in touch with us is on our AuctionMethod website. There's a contact button on the top right. So I'm on the auction website here, AuctionMethod website. At the very top right of your screen, next to resources, click on contact. Fill out your personal information, your name, your email, as well as which department you want to get in touch with, either sales or support. And then you can fill out your query here and then click on submit as well. And then the last method that we have available is if you want to call us directly. But I must warn you that we do not take phone calls. We don't answer them. It does go straight to voicemail, and we will work on the subject and reply to you via email. And that's it for all the different channels you can get in touch with us. As I said, the preferred way and handiest way I think for everyone is through the support channel directly on your website. Send us an email and we will get back to you as quick as we can. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you found this useful.